man, look at him, Joe. You're missing. He's surfacing on him. He's a nice fish. Here's a ripper. Oh, I missed that. Oh yeah.
Yeah! Woo! Right.
All right.
Fish in the net. Look at that.
What was that? First drift about 5 minutes out. You were just talking about that too.
All right, we're gonna throw them in the old fish box.
On fishing.
Woo!
Sweet. Thank you, sir.
Hasek has undergone all the necessary tests. Doesn't appear to be anything serious. And fullback William Floyd has returned.
It's true. Woo-hoo! Woo! Don't let the line touch the boat. Okay?
Congratulations.
Yeah, congratulations.
Stick a fan.
Good job.
Stick a fan down there. That thing's above that. All right, that's a start. Let's play with some fish. Sheffrey's Guide Service.